Bullish Hedera, HBAR, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.212423 and $0.401243 by 2030. Market investigators accept HBAR could reach $0.165218 by 2025. Bearish Hedera market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.037764. Hedera, HBAR, presentation programmer Lehman Baird and mechanical leader Mance Harmon and the Hedera Overseeing Board conceived the Hedera Hashgraph. In 2015, Baird and Harmon sent off Swirlds as an essential collusion. To build and run a live framework, Hedera, using its development, Swirlds turned out an association called Hedera, subsequently renamed Hedera Hashgraph. Through a reasonable obligation to impending symbolic contributions, Hedera Hashgraph has produced $124 million by selling its HBAR digital money in 2018. Hedera Hashgraph, which appeared as a confidential organization, means to logically allow different organizations to join the organization before it is made public later. What is the Hedera HBAR? The Hedera Hashgraph cryptographic money, a unique sort of blockchain, is where the digital currency Hedera is found. Arrangements, dApps, and virtual monetary standards are totally powered by the Hedera Hashgraph. Another variety of the strong proof agreement calculation is utilized to help the Hedera Hashgraph, and the HBAR cash gives motivations to value-based validators. Large bosses, including Deutsche Telekom, IBM, Boeing, LG, Google, T-Versatile, Nomura, and others, own and run Hedera. Hedera, HBAR, specialized investigation. The investigation of items utilizing graph examples to check the HBAR coin cost expectation and different rules is known as specialized examination, or TA. It is a method for examining the market utilizing signals and exceptionally planned devices. Market members can involve this strategy to recognize equivalent opportunities for exchanging or speculation and check the Hedera Hashgraph HBAR cost expectation. Ordinarily, specialized investigation depends on authentic information about a resource, like market, turnover, and so forth, which uncovered designs that can be used to foresee what is probably going to happen. The investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers is known as specialized examination, TA. A market cap examination strategy utilizes pointers made explicitly for the errand. Contingent upon the conditions, merchants and financial backers utilize this technique to distinguish open doors for exchanges or speculations. Specialized examination might be founded on past data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovered patterns that can be utilized to foresee what is probably going to happen. Signs of cryptographic money in light of specialized examination. Specialized investigation of computerized monetary forms can be directed utilizing an assortment of line diagrams and graph designs. Clients interested by specialized examination can concentrate on the most extreme cost, market cap, normal cost, greatest worth, Hedera Hashgraph cost gauge, or some other information related with the Hedera cost estimate utilizing the basic pointers gave beneath. Ichimoku pointer. Ichimoku is a pattern indicator that seems unpredictable yet is somewhat straightforward. This singular Japanese marker was made to show support levels, show what is going on, and ready clients when an inclination is probably going to be switched. The stochastic pointer. The stochastic offers examiners a special method for recognizing cost variances by computing the distance between the ongoing chart book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, this length is parted by the hole between the most minimal cost and the greatest expense during a similar time period. The line, %K, is first changed into the moving normal %D, which is then projected on the rate K. Turn focuses are one of the most generally utilized images across all business sectors, covering stocks, bullion, and cash. They are made utilizing an equation in view of the greatest, least, and exorbitant costs from the past time frame. Hedera is presently worth $0.047205 United States dollars. HBAR has moved 0.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $29,656,192. Hedera is as of now position 30 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,582,858,848 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Hedera, HBAR, to conclude we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Hedera (Hbar) market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2023. Hedera, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Hbar. The Hbar cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.070808. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.066087 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Hbar is supposed to have a base worth of $0.056646. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Hedera Hbar cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hbar will before long outperform $0.118013. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Hbar's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Hbar will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.09441 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.103851. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.165218 and Hbar might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Hbar is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.151056 and a low of $0.141615 in 2025. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Hedera effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Hbar coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hbar will be green in 2026. The Hbar is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.212423 with a base cost of $0.18882 and a typical cost of $0.198261. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Hbar cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.245467 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.236026 anticipated before the year's end.